Did you know that over 500 hours of video are uploaded to YouTube every minute? With so much content, it might seem impossible to stand out and monetize effectively. But today, we're going to show you how it's not only possible, but entirely achievable to earn $10,000 a month from your YouTube channel. We'll dive deep into the latest strategies that are making waves in 2024. So if you've ever dreamed of turning your YouTube channel into a major income source, stick around as we reveal the secrets to success in today's digital era. Select your niche. The first step to building a successful YouTube channel is selecting the right niche. This isn't just about choosing what you like. It's about finding a market gap where your passion and expertise can meet the needs of an audience. Consider areas you are knowledgeable about and can consistently create content for. For example, if you're a tech enthusiast, you might focus on the latest gadgets or software tutorials. The key here is to choose a niche where you can provide unique insights that aren't readily available elsewhere. Channel setup. Once you've nailed down your niche, it's time to set up your YouTube channel. This process involves more than just registering an account. You need to create a visually appealing channel that can instantly attract and engage visitors. Use high-quality images for your profile and cover photos, and ensure your channel description clearly communicates what your channel is about. This is your chance to make a great first impression, so highlight your unique selling points right off the bat. Content planning. Planning your content is crucial for maintaining a consistent posting schedule. It's not enough to just upload videos sporadically. You need a strategy. Start by deciding the types of videos you'll produce, whether they're how-to guides, reviews, or personal vlogs. Plan to release new videos on set days of the week to keep your audience coming back. Remember, consistency is as important as quality. A content calendar can help manage your video topics and keep you organized. Invest in equipment. Good quality video and audio can set your content apart from the vast majority of YouTube videos. Initially, you might start with basic equipment, but as your channel grows, investing in a high-quality camera, microphone, and lighting is essential. For example, a ring light can enhance lighting conditions dramatically, and a good microphone can ensure your audio is clear and free of background noises. Video editing skills. Editing your videos effectively can significantly enhance their appeal. Learn how to use video editing software to add effects, correct colors, and insert engaging transitions. Video editing is not just about cutting and stitching clips together. It's about crafting a narrative that keeps viewers engaged. Free tools like Shotcut or iMovie are great for beginners, while more advanced editors might prefer Adobe Premiere Pro. Creating engaging content. The success of your YouTube channel hinges on your ability to engage viewers. Start every video with a compelling hook that grabs attention immediately. Use storytelling to maintain interest and incorporate clear, informative segments that provide real value to your audience. The goal is to make viewers feel they've gained something by watching your videos, which will keep them returning and encourage them to explore more of your content. SEO optimization. Optimizing your video for YouTube's search algorithm is critical. Use keywords strategically in your title, description, and tags to improve your video's visibility. Perform keyword research to understand what your potential viewers are searching for and tailor your content to meet those terms. Tools like TubeBuddy and vidIQ can provide insights into the best keywords to use and track your video's performance. Monetization techniques. To start earning money from YouTube, you need to qualify for the YouTube Partner Program, which requires 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Once you're in, explore different monetization options like ad revenue, super chats, memberships, and merchandise shelves. Diversify your revenue streams to maximize your income potential from each video. Audience interaction. Building a community around your channel by engaging with your audience can turn casual viewers into loyal fans. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, and involve viewers in your content creation process. For instance, run polls to decide your next video topic or host question and answer sessions to answer viewer questions directly. Promotion and collaboration. Don't rely solely on YouTube to attract viewers. Use social media platforms, blogs, and collaboration with other YouTubers to promote your videos. Cross-promoting content can introduce your channel to a broader audience. Collaborations, especially with creators who share a similar audience, can expose your channel to potential subscribers interested in your niche. Analytics and adaptation. Regularly review your YouTube analytics to track your channel's performance. This data is invaluable for understanding what works and what doesn't. Look at metrics like watch time, viewer demographics, and engagement rates to refine your content strategy. Adapting based on these insights can lead to better content and a more engaged audience. Building a successful YouTube channel that can earn $10,000 a month is a journey of passion, innovation, and strategic planning. By applying the methods we've discussed today, you are well on your way to turning your YouTube channel into a lucrative business. Remember, the key to success on YouTube is providing value that resonates with your audience while staying true to your unique voice. If you found value in this video, please consider subscribing for more insightful content just like this. Hit the like button, share with friends, and don't forget to comment below with your thoughts or questions. Here's to your success on YouTube.